So right after a motor vehicle crash, I'm going to assume you're not going to hire a lawyer, and instead you're going to get on the phone and talk to the insurance adjuster for the at-fault driver. And I'm assuming that because that happens so often. And so the question would be, what is the adjuster going to want to know? And then even more telling is, what is the adjuster really going to want to know when talking to you? Adjusters love it when you get on the phone and lie to them. They love it. They love for you to get on the phone and think you're doing right by not mentioning the fact that before the car crash, you had gone 4 years without any problems, but before that you had a spine surgery, and now you're going to have to go back to your surgeon again. They love it when you don't mention your prior pre-existing injuries. They love that because it gives them a foothold for the rest of the case. If they ever have a question as to your truthfulness, that will be what they will go back to. And again, reality is these insurance adjusters are not out there to try to give you a whole lot of money. They're looking very often to show ways why you're not deserving of money. And credibility and truthfulness is one of the big ticket items for them. So I'm always very, very clear with my clients. When there's a discussion with the insurance adjuster, which will not happen after you hire us, but if you haven't hired an attorney, when there's a communication with the insurance adjuster, honesty is truly the best policy. Because as a practical matter, the scenario I gave is a very still valuable claim. If you recovered from a back surgery, have 4 years where you're documented doing great, and then an accident causes you to go back basically to where you started from, that's a good claim. That's not going to be a bad claim unless you decide to keep things that you know you should be telling the insurance company from the insurance company. If you own that, you're going to find that through the whole case, the adjuster is going to treat you more along the lines of the way you would expect to be treated.